Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 7.9 of Chapter 7, Integrals, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 7.9 evaluates definite integrals by substitution, transforming the limits along with the variable, 8 full evaluations, and 2 multiple choice, including the area function derivative. Here they are. Question 1. Substitution inside a definite integral. The limits transform to u as the denominator. U equals x squared plus 1 sends the limits 0 and 1 to 1 and 2. Half log 2. Question 2. A root of sine against cosine to the fifth. Peel 1 cosine for du, convert the rest. U equals sine phi. Cosine to the fourth becomes 1 minus u squared, squared. Limits become 0 to 1. Integrate the 3 powers. 2/3 minus 4/7 plus 2/11, which is 64 over 231. Question 3. The double angle collapse, then integration by parts. The integrand is 2 inverse tangent x. Replace and use the known antiderivative of inverse tangent. Evaluate at 1, pi over 4 minus half log 2 doubled. Question 4. The hinted substitution x plus 2 equals t squared. Limits move to root 2 and 2. With x as t squared minus 2 and dx as 2t dt. The integrand becomes a polynomial in t. Evaluate both ends and simplify to the book form. Question 5. Sine feeding cosine, an arctangent in disguise. U equals cosine flips the limits. The limits 0 and pi over 2 become 1 and 0. The flip absorbs the minus sign. Pi over 4. Question 6. Complete the square with a negative leading coefficient, 17/4 minus the shifted square. The denominator is 17 over 4 minus x minus 1/2 squared, the symmetric log formula. Evaluating both ends and combining the ratios gives the closed form. Question 7. Complete the square to an arctangent, x plus 1 squared plus 4. The completed square gives half arctangent of the shifted x over 2, between minus 1 and 1. At the ends, arctangent 1 and arctangent 0, pi over 8. Question 8. The last full evaluation. The e to the 2x version of the f plus f prime pattern. The bracket is the derivative of e to the 2x over 2x. Check, differentiating e to the 2x over 2x gives exactly the integrand. So the integral is that antiderivative between 1 and 2. Question 9, multiple choice. Factor x cubed inside the cube root. The substitution 1 over x squared minus 1 cracks it. Pull x from the root. The integrand becomes the cube root of 1 over x squared minus 1 over x cubed. With t as 1 over x squared minus 1, dt is minus 2 over x cubed dx. Flip the limits and integrate 3/8 of 8 to the 4/3, which is 6. Option A. Question 10, the final one, multiple choice. Differentiating an area function. The first fundamental theorem answers instantly. By the first fundamental theorem, the derivative of the area function is the integrand evaluated at x. Option B. That completes all 10 questions of exercise 7.9. In the next video, we will take up exercise 7.10 on properties of definite integrals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math Tutorials, and share it with your friends.